In front of me is SONY Xperia 1 Mark V, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. First of all, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in Samsung voice recorder. Following that, download this app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, select Allow in the pop-up, click on this red button and hit on while using the app. As you can see, after that, recording is on. If you want to pause it or unpause it, tap on the same red button. In order to delete it right away, pause it and tap on this card on the left. And to end it and save it, click on Save on the right. You can also unpause it and add a bookmark by clicking on this icon on the left. Type in whatever you wish to or not at all and hitting OK. When you're ready, tap on Save at the top right corner and listen to your recording by tapping on it. If you want to rename it, go back, tap on those three dots and select Rename option. Now you can type in wherever you wish to and select OK. In order to delete it though, you need to hold it and tap on this bin icon at the top, or tap on the same three dots, select Delete at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!